myself, Russell XO, and yet you can see, yeah, I played one level, but I have to show you something. Don't really have to show. Just kidding. So, we are about to play level 7 right now, and we're already to the original boss. It's really over here. It's gonna have a solo video. Like, see? More stars subscribe. Prove that you're ready to face our greatest threat. Complete missions on difficulties, and it just goes so on and so forth until we reach this. It's the end. It's the end. It's gonna take a long time to get over there. Luckily, we just on part 4. So, you can get this. The creeps have howled up in an ancient ruin. Is there something they want deep in the jungle? We are picking up signals from a large number of aliens, but strangely we only have visuals on a few. Flush them out of this ancient landmark and find out what they're hiding. Alright, let go. Yes! Let's go! Yes! Bro, we don't even need troops. We do not need troops. Skybolt is literally my favorite hero in the entire one. I want to recruit this guy. I really want to recruit this guy. That's why I want to hack. But we're doing a playthrough. We cannot hack, alright? We cannot hack. So, let's just read it, because I'm not going to monologue. I said that last video. So, Commander, I managed to convince Ode Dynamics to lend a Skybolt, a robotic commander. Yes, Skybolt reported for duty, sir. System check complete. Ready to exterminate. Bro, I'm a big fan of you. Skybolt is quite the way. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Put the finishing touches on the AI myself. Yeah. Threat analysis complete. True. Oh. Bro, I love Skybolt. Let's go. It's a good thing I recorded this. I just finished recording a PUBG video. Bro, go over here, Flag, you sucky boy. Bro, he literally beat you by so much. Bro. Flag, I'm just gonna say, you're gonna need help. He got that. And yeah, we got Minigun Tower number 3. And we're gonna put a guy for a Skybolt. He might not take it. Oh, and 3, 2, 1. Creeps like. Oh, yo. No. This is. Yo! Bro, I love this. Bro. No. This is too. Skybolt, bro. I want to recruit you, man. I want to recruit you. And look at the minigun tower. The level 3 minigun tower down below. Look at it. It's looking fine as hell. Bro, do you see how quick it's fire? It's like fire as quick as Skybolt can. Skybolt, bro. I'm a huge fan. Just see this right now. Just literally saw this like right now. This thing is going to open. Just do it. Oh, bro, it's hidden. Oh, Skybolt. You gotta reach that position. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, nothing can go through Skybolt, bro. Checking the video. How's it going? Nothing has went past it because of this. It's not Flak that's carrying the team. It's the minigun tower and Skybolt. Bro. No. Skybolt can move because I need to upgrade this. Skybolt is OP, bro. I cannot. remove him there because there are some hiddens and he's the only one. Well, there is a technique to do this, and it is to put him there. Bro, Skybolt. Bro, I literally love Skybolt, man. I'm in love with Skybolt. Bro. Brother. I wanna have a Skybolt toy. Can I have a Skybolt toy? Like literally, I want a Skybolt toy. Bro, look at these minigun tower. No, just ready it, bro. Skybolt, like, bro, you're too OP. Oh, fuck is that? Skybolt, help. Need help, bit of help. Oh, Flack, you might want to move. Oh, we need to shoot. Let's be honest, you're the weaker one. So I'm just gonna... Wait, I don't think you can see... Oh. No! I thought we were perfect. Minigun tower level 3, bro. Let's be honest, it's too OP. Do you see how OP this thing is? Nothing can get through it. We're just using minigun. Because look, we don't need anything else. Bro, Skybolt, I'm gonna miss you, man. This is only one level. We're gonna do one more and we're gonna finish the video. But Skybolt, bro, I'm gonna miss Skybolt. Skybolt's like the best script you could get in the game. Click the like button if you because I'm a big fan of machine guns in every game. If you guys play Roblox, Tower Defense Simulator, my favorite troop is literally Minigunner. I hate the sentry, hate the turret, hate everything except the minigun. No. The only thing I love is the DJ, the pyro, the mini, the farm, and the... What's it called? What's the other... The crook boss. If you even know what I'm talking about. Bro, easy victory, man. We almost got that 3-star dub, but it's okay. Bro. No. Flag, you're trash, bro. Bro, you are trash. Skybolt. Goodbye, I'm gonna miss you. Bro, I really wanna buy it. Bro, I wanna freaking buy it, but I can't. I wish I could buy it. Some extra oomph. Let's research the Rangers. Upgrade it will really give you the edge. Okay, show me. Oh. Okay, let's stop. That's too much. Actually, we can upgrade it. Otherwise, we're sorry. Alright, last level. The creeps are using old caves. Circumvent our patrols. Caution is advised. However, as reports have noted, flying creeps on the scene. Our infantry can stop them. Bullets and lasers can so blow them out of the sky. But Skybolt, I'm crying right now. Skybolt, bro, you're like the best hero. I don't care about Surge, you don't care about Oracle. Oracle does sound cool, not gonna lie, and she looks cool. Cinder, bro, you're just big chungus, man. Cinder, you're just big chungus. Let's be honest, you're just a big chungus. Just big chunky. So, thinking of a strategy is probably this and this, right? Because let's go. Okay. into it. If I place them wrong, we're dead. I just realized this now. Luckily I didn't. Right? Yeah, right. No flag. Flag, you're useless. Bro. Demolished. And it's not even noisy. The Minigun Tower 3. I'm saying that now, and once I rewatch this video, I'm gonna hear nothing but the shots, so we're gonna probably lower the volume. Oh, shout out to our squad. Ghost Riot, Painly, Shadow Knight X. Go subscribe to their channels. I'll link it down below. Not in the description, but in this description of the whole channel. I don't know how to... Oh, I have not seen these guys. These guys. But have we killed... Oh, it's literally right away. Hornet, Bro. I'm wanting to say to you, get oofed on. Blasting out of the sky. Oh, bro. Get oofed on. Oh, laser. Could have bombed it. Yeah, just bomb it. Oh, need more. Because we need a laser. Placing the MG3 tower over here might have been better. MG3. Hornets coming in. No one can get through now. Like, no one. 0 zip nada. I'm saying 0 zip nada. I don't think it's 0 nip. Bro, we're already at part 4 of the playthrough. Not of the game, of the waves, but of the playthrough. Bro, I just love seeing these guys shredded. Let's put some infantry down, Joe. Well, I think you guys went the wrong way. Bro, flying above us won't help you. Shredding troops. Be the title of this video. MG Tower is so OP. That's the title. 100% title. Someone's calling. I can't see the recording software. So sorry for that interruption. Are we still recording? We are still recording, right? Tell me we're still recording. I cannot see the recordings. Oh, it's literally blended in the woods. Achievement unlocked. Graveyard shift. Oh yeah. No one has got through. I understand that meme, bro. Wanna be late? Alright. I can give that to you. Just wait for a little bit of things and you'll be late. Right. There it is. Alright, baby. Bro, this MG tower is too OP. The only way to get this damage is by hero. Hornet. Nice one. Could probably use the Tesla Tower. I never used this thing. One survived. Blast them out of the sky. Bro, it's like auto now. It's not burst. I'm just realizing this now. Black. Thank you, buddy. We are done. Minigun Tower is so OP. 3 stars, baby. Back to 9,000 gold. Almost 10,000. Like, you're about to level up. You're gonna get another stuff, another item soon. So, thank you very much. Wait, it seems like nothing shakes you. Right, see what's your secret? Nerves of steel, I'm sure, just like me. When you face the enemy every day, you learn. Actually, mate, it's all about having a quiet, balanced mind. When there's no noise in your head, you can calmly assess the situation and decide where to strike. And that's when you shoot them in the face. Fact, I would guess you're not a sharpshooter. Ha, raccoon. For some oomph. Stop saying oomph. For some extra oomph, let's research the pulse modulation upgrade. It will really give you the edge to the next battle, and it's for the next video. So, show me. Just show me. Oh, it's the laser. Okay. Okay, leave it. Well, I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, because I haven't played this game for a long time. Quad beam. Oh, I know this. Plasma cannon. Teleport. Mind control. So I guess it's time to say goodbye. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on that post notification so you don't miss any of my videos, and peace out, baby girls.